Yes, question number 7. Ashish Limited invited applications for 10,000 shares of 100. Okay, 10,000 shares at the rate of 100 rupees. 20 on application, 30 on allotment. On application 20, on allotment 30 he will receive, 20 on first call and balance on final call. On first call 20 and on second and final call balance. Tell me the balance amount, children. 30 rupees. 30 rupees, है ना? Balance amount. So now what to do? All the shares were applied and allotted. All the money was received. You are required to journalize. So children, this is the question of entry in case of installment when company is issuing shares in 4 installment. So we need to pass 2 entry for application, 2 entry for allotment, 2 entry for first call and 2 entry for second and final call. So 8 entries are required in this question. 8 entries. Ready? So let me explain. First point, bank account debit. 2, is this equity share? Is it mentioned in question? Not mentioned, so I will write only shares. Okay. Bank account debit to share application. How much? 20 rupees. So 20 into 10,000. 20 into 10,000. 2 lakh. Being application money received. Being application money received. Then what to do? We need to pass second entry for transferring share application to share capital. Share application account debit to share capital. The same amount is transferred, 2 lakh. Being share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay. Now what to do? These 2 entries are for application. Now we need to pass 2 entry for allotment. What entry we pass for allotment? Share allotment account debit to share capital. How much? It is 30 rupees. So 30 into 10,000 will be 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Being share allotment money due. Being share allotment money is due. And then we receive money. When we receive money for allotment, what we pass? Bank account debit. We have received money for share allotment. So to share allotment, how much? 3 lakh. We will put narration. Being share allotment money received. Being share allotment money received. Okay. Then again we need to pass 2 entry for first call when company is demanded first call. So what entry we pass for first call? Share first call account debit to share capital. How much? 20 rupees. It means 2 lakh. Being first call money due. Being first call money due. And then when we receive first call money, what entry we pass? Simple bank account debit to share first call. 2 lakh rupees. Being first call money received, isn't it? And then second call, second and final call. Again, 2 entries required. Thus, in the same manner, dear children, share second and final call account debit to share capital, to share capital. How much? 30 rupees is given, so 3 lakh. Being share second call money received, sorry, due. Share second call money due, and when we receive eighth entry we pass, when we receive second call money, bank account debit to share second and final call, 3 lakh rupees. Being second call money received. So these are the 8 entries which are required at the time when company issues shares in installment. Okay, dear children, I hope the question is clear to everyone. Yes, children.